Hi guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have news coming from the guys at Epic Games and they are at it again, and these guys are actually buying a whole lot of things. Just not long ago we had them, talk about things that they are going to make for free, and we've also seen Twinmotion being bought, but today they're buying something you probably did not even expect they would actually have interest in. And we're talking about nothing more than the shave and haircut plugin that exists for Maya. And this is an amazing plugin that a lot of people have used. It has been used by a lot of companies like Weather Digital, Double Negative, Scaline VFX, and it has also been used for big productions. The cool thing is they were about releasing version 10, and the version 10 would definitely support GPU and all these amazing crazy things that you can do on your viewport. But before these guys actually talked about releasing this, Epic Games stepped in and said, guess what, we're going to buy you guys, and they're purchasing them. And the guys at Epic Games are saying that the shave and haircut 9.6, which is going to be for Maya, will be free. And this is crazy because I think the thing that the guys at Epic Games are doing is once they make a purchase of a product, they do their best to, let it out for people to use it, enjoy it for as long as they can before maybe there's going to be some sort of payment. But that doesn't seem to be the case with this one. For this particular tool that we are actually looking at, Epic Games are saying that they are going to partner with other companies so that those associated shaders and renders would still remain with this tool. And this tool is going to be available and also going to be compatible for Maya users from 2014 all the way to 2019.1. It is also going to be available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And fun fact is, as far as you own an Unreal Engine, you will be able to have this particular thing. Now this brings me to a point where I'm going to say, I think what the guys at Epic Games would end up doing is making the Unreal launcher a hub where you can find every single thing that you want and everything that you have actually purchased. So it's going to make a lot of sense because all these other guys are moving towards that, creating things like launchers and hubs like that. I think the first guys that actually started that was Adobe, but now it seems to be a trend, have all of your product in one place, and makes a lot of sense. So the shave and haircut 9.6 for Maya is totally going to be free very soon in the coming weeks, and you need to find all these things on the Unreal or Epic Games GitHub as soon as they are out. Once they are available, I'm going to make an announcement to that, so you guys will be able to get it and make use of it for whatever thing that you want. And this is an exciting news that is coming, and I want to know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a like, turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification so you don't miss the next update. And other things are, there's a couple of videos in the channel that you may probably want to check out if you want to get updates, and if you want to check out for the Free Friday and Tutorial Tuesday. I'm also accepting requests for tutorials, so you can put those in the comment sections as well. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.